Hello there, it's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and today we have just finished a job where the client had asked us to reseal their concrete areas, approximately 700 square meters on this quarter-acre block, where we made certain that with the high pressure washer we removed all the previous flaking paint which was applied incorrectly and made the place look really unsightly. High pressure washer removed all the flaking paint, but also removed any other contaminants, so that after the concrete was dry, we were able to apply 2 coats of penetrating sealer. This particular product is different from paint. It penetrates into the concrete and it comes in any color that you like, and as a result of that, our clients chose black. And here you can see the first coat going on and already making a massive difference to the way that this concrete appears. The contrast is really amazing. Now they have some areas that are on slight slopes uphill heading into the home, mainly around the driveway areas, and that makes it a little bit slippery if the concrete has been rained on overnight. And in order to avoid that, for the second coat we ordered and added to the mix an anti-slip product, and that went over in the second coat on the entire surface of the concrete. Now you can see what a massive difference it makes to this home when the concrete is sealed properly, and this stamped pattern looks like the concrete is actually made out of slate rather than plain boring old concrete. And you can see that the entire area has been repainted, and now this is going to be good for at least another 7 or 8 years, where at the most it may need just 1 additional coat. You can see around this area heading back towards the tennis court that now the place looks really sharp, contrasts really well against the green astroturf, and all these paths are also heading downhill, and they have also been given the anti-slip coat as to make it really safe to get down. This ramp especially is treacherous if not treated appropriately. The same product was used around the pool, so the getting out of the pool and the spa is not going to be a risky experience. And now around the barbecue area, any grease and fat that might fall off the barbecue can very easily be high pressure washed off with a little bit of detergent to make sure that the area also doesn't remain slippery and scary to walk on. So if you need your concrete sealed, please do call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and we'll make your concrete look brand new again.